Hello my olives, I'm back with another video in collaboration with Curls. I'm going to be using the Be Smooth Curl Butter Gel today in styling an updo. This is part of their ultimate styling collection, so I've been testing out all these different gels the past 2 weeks, so you can check out that content on my Instagram. And I also did another YouTube tutorial on the pink gel. You can already see how much I've used for styling curls with a perm rod set, so you can check that out. I'll leave it down below. Anyway, let's get into the yellow gel. So I just washed my hair. I'll show you which shampoo and conditioner I used. I used the Curls Poppin' Pineapple collection in the shower, so it's the curl wash for shampoo and then the curl mask for conditioner. I also have a tutorial of these on my Instagram. So you're just going to need a clip to section your hair. I'm just going to section my hair in half and apply the gel. And if you have the Denman brush or a styling brush, that's also good, but you can also use a normal brush. And a little bit about this gel, it's formulated with pure bean tree. Bean tree is a natural clear liquid derived from castor and rapeseed. Bean tree conditions the scalp and hair while retaining moisture and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy feel. So I've used this once before for my IGTV, and it was definitely not crunchy from this gel. It was super soft and you can feel the gel feels really creamy, and it also smells really nice, like caramel or something. So after applying the gel, just go through with your styling brush. I'll do my hair in 3 sections. Bottom, middle, top. You want to make sure your front bits are nice and defined for this updo, because some of it's going to be hanging out. Okay, so it's all styled. It's got a nice hold from the gel. I'm going to let it air dry for a bit, and then I'll probably diffuse it for the last 10 minutes and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so we're back. As you can see, my hair is really voluminous, blah, blah, blah. It's got a lot of volume and it's super defined. It's not crunchy at all. It feels really creamy and soft. It's 5 o'clock right now and I filmed at around 11, so I let it dry throughout that whole time, and then I just diffused it for the last 5 minutes. The updo I'm doing is really easy. You'll need a scrunchie, and I'm following the yellow theme, but you can do whatever colors you like. I'm gonna leave my front right bits hanging out, and then I'm gonna tie, and then we're gonna clip back this long strip on the left side, and then tie up the rest with the scrunchie. I've got a bunch of gold clips to use on the left. They're from different places like Condon, and I've just been sent some from some online places. So once you've added your clips, you're going to have a little bit of extra hanging out, so make sure you have some bobby pins. And I'm just going to pin the rest back. I'm going to swap this clip with this one. Okay, and just to add to the yellow theme, I'm just going to add this yellow scrunchie on top for decoration. And some yellow earrings. It's just a super easy, cute hairstyle, and the curls are on point, looking defined, and they will stay in place all day thanks to the gel. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to check out my other content with curls on my Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!